Starting with the 1206 component, the general methodology is to apply a bit of solder to one of the pads, and this is basically used to tack the component in place, and then you can apply some solder to the other pad to complete the solder joint. Then, if desired, you can apply a bit of flux to each of the pads, and this will help the solder reflow, and you can reheat the solder just to make the solder joint look a little bit better. An alternate method is to use tacky flux to hold the component in place. So by applying some flux to each of the pads, and then by applying the component to the pads, you're then free to solder the component in place with the soldering iron and some solder without necessarily needing to hold the component in place while you do this. And then you can use some flux clean and a tissue and a brush just to brush around the component and to soak up all of the flux to leave you a nice clean finish.